Hello, guys. This is Michael from the Stay Sorted podcast, and today joining me is Leo and Harry, the core developers for Sorted. In this podcast, we wanted to give you guys updates on what's going on for the iOS app and the new macOS beta app. So, I guess let's begin with the iOS app. What's going on there, and how are things looking, and what might we be seeing in the coming new few patches, Leo?
Okay, so as our users know, we recently released version 1.3.6,
0.6. Yeah.
uh, which fixes a bug with the auto snooze and notification. So apologies once again for anybody affected by that bug. I'm concentrating right now mostly on two highly requested features. One is Apple Reminder integration, and the second is URL scheme. So what these two things will allow our users to do is one, use Siri to add reminders, and then the other is to use things like maybe the Amazon Echo or other devices to voice activate add a reminder, which would then link into Sorted, and then they could uh, manipulate their reminders using our app. Yeah, so that's it.
Cool. Yeah, so that's what's up with the iOS app. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our email or our social media channels. And now I guess we'll be moving on to the macOS beta, and we've been slowly rolling out invitations. So if you've signed up for it and you haven't got your invitation yet, you can get in touch with us still through Twitter, and we'll see what we can do about getting you your beta access sooner. Uh, Otherwise, how is it going, Harry, with the macOS so far?
It's been really exciting on pushing out the macOS beta app. And so far, we have the basic interface. If you are one of the beta users, you have seen it. And probably we can post a picture or two to the channels showing up what our current Mac beta look like as well. Um, the basic features we have now include the sync to iCloud so that you can manipulate your reminders both in your iOS app and in your Mac computer nowadays. And then for the last week, I've been working, basically reworking the whole logic on dragging. We didn't expect some of our users were quite heavily using the dragging. They may want to drag it to reorder the time of the reminders or drag it to the calendar to move to another date. And of course, you can drag it to the label to apply different labels to it. So I've been reworking on the dragging, and it is now working out quite well. But one of the features, we are not sure what this fits well or not. So I'm asking our audience to help testing out if you got the beta app, which is to drag multiple reminders in your reminder wheel to reorder the time. This is a new feature that we didn't support yet in the iOS version. Basically, in the iOS, you can only drag one item to swap the time, but we were trying to drag multiple items to swap to different time. So if you are one of the beta users and got the app already, I would like to hear your feedbacks on this. For this version, I will be releasing it these couple days, so you will get the latest update and try it out. And that's what I have been working on.
Cool. Yeah, I think dragging the multiple items is actually pretty cool. If that's in the iOS, that'd be also pretty cool because I found myself actually doing multi-select a few times and
Yeah,
then dragging them up, and I realized, oh, I can only do it one at a time. So maybe on the iOS and on the Mac this will be really useful.
yeah,
Yeah.
let's try it out and leave us feedbacks. We want to know whether our current implementation is the logic that most people use.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. So for anyone out there that still hasn't got their Mac OS beta and you want to try it out, please again feel free to contact us through our media channels or especially Twitter. So yeah, with that, I guess we just wanted to keep it short and keep you guys updated on what's going on with the sorted app. And with that, I guess we'll end the podcast here, and we'll have more of these hopefully more regularly, so you guys will be up to date with what's going on.
Mm.
All right, then yeah. Until then, stay sorted, guys.
See you.
Bye bye.